Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to bring you another informative video today. In this video, I will walk you through the process of accessing the powerful SAP Business Application Studio tool from the SAP BTP. If you are unfamiliar with how to get free access to your SAP BTP account, make sure to check out my previous video on creating a trial account. It will guide you through the account creation process step by step. To begin, let's log in into SAP BTP account. Once you are on the BTP homepage, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your email address and password and click on the sign in button to log in successfully. Now you will be redirected to the BTP cockpit homepage. To access BTP service, click on the trial home button. This will lead you to a page where you can give various BTP services and offerings. This will lead you to a page where you can view various BTP services and offerings. Since SAP BAS is a service within a sub account, we need to access this sub account section. Click on the trial account button to continue. You will now see a list of sub accounts and global accounts on the screen. To access SAP BAS, we need to click on the tile that corresponds to the trial sub accounts under the sub account category. Once you click on the trial sub account, you will arrive at the sub account overview page. Here you have two methods to access the SAP BAS tool within the overview section. The first method is to click on the link provided to the access instance and subscriptions. This will take you to the instance and subscriptions tab on the right side of the page. Under the subscriptions tab, you will find the link for SAP Business Application Studio. Simply click on the provided link to open the development environment in a new tab. Before proceeding, make sure to check the checkbox indicating that you do not want to see the message again and then click the OK button. Congratulations, you have successfully accessed SAP BAS and now you are on the welcome page of the tool. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, let's start by creating a dev space. But before that, let's understand what a dev space is. A dev space is an isolated environment within SAP BAS that provides built-in extensions and tools to accelerate development speed. It offers the necessary tools and resources for efficient development. Within SAP BAS, you will find multiple dev space types to choose from depending on your requirement and project needs. That's it for this segment. In the next part of this video, we'll delve into creating a dev space and exploring the various features of SAP Business Application Studio. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Also make sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated with future uploads. Let's continue our journey into the SAP Business Application Studio. Thank you.